Looking for a compact, high-res music player with a retro design and premium sound? Meet the FiiO SNOWSKY ECHO NANO, a pocket-sized audio player that combines classic MP3 styling with modern hi-fi performance for an exceptional listening experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the FiiO SNOWSKY ECHO NANO USB-C charging cable, user manual, product overview, how to use. Load your music files onto a compatible microSD card, then insert it into the player. Press and hold the power button to turn on the ECHO NANO. Plug your wired headphones or earphones into the 3.5mm headphone jack. Use the navigation buttons to browse your music library and select the track you want to play. Use the playback controls to play, pause, skip tracks, adjust the volume, or navigate through folders. Recharge the player with the included USB Type-C cable when the battery runs low. How to charge. Connect the included USB Type-C charging cable to the USB-C port on your FiiO SNOWSKY ECHO NANO, then plug the other end into a compatible USB power adapter or computer USB port. Allow the player to charge for about 2 hours until the battery is fully charged, providing up to 7 hours of continuous music playback. Smart features. Enjoy exceptional sound quality with support for high-resolution audio formats, delivering greater detail, clarity, and depth than standard audio. Whether you're listening to lossless tracks or your favorite playlists, every note is reproduced with impressive accuracy. Connect wirelessly to Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, speakers, or compatible devices for a cable-free listening experience. It also supports stable wireless audio transmission, giving you greater flexibility wherever you enjoy your music. Combining the nostalgic look of a classic music player with modern craftsmanship, the compact and lightweight design fits comfortably in your hand or pocket. The intuitive controls make browsing your music library quick and effortless. The built-in rechargeable battery provides extended playback on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music throughout the day. Its efficient power management makes it ideal for commuting, traveling, or everyday listening without frequent recharging. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.